judgment of his decision lies within your hands. His fate is already determined. As you may know, the highest virtue of life is to seek knowledge purely for the sake of knowledge. However, Faustus was greedy and desired more knowledge than humanly possible. So he sold his soul to the devil for divine knowledge. Then he lived the life of knowledge, much like that of the gods.
Why are there stars in the sky? Why is the sky blue? Why do cats have 9 lives? Is the world round? What is the meaning of life?
So was his decision worth it?